Welcome to the YouTube channel of Visa for Study. Today we are here with a great news for those who plan to travel to the UK. India has been in the red list for many months, and as a result, students and other passengers from India had to pay £1,750 for a mandatory 10 days hotel quarantine. Some universities tried to overcome this situation by offering reimbursement of the hotel quarantine expenses to the students. Many months of uncertainty will end as India will be moved from the country's red list to amber list on 8th of August at 4 am. This means travelers, including students who are traveling from India to the UK, are no longer required to undergo hotel quarantine of 10 days. In the new system, fully vaccinated travelers arriving in the UK are exempted from 10 days hotel and home quarantine. Those who are not fully vaccinated can complete 10 days quarantine at home or in the place where they are planning to stay. What to do before you travel to the UK from India? It is better you should be fully vaccinated with a UK approved vaccine. If you are fully vaccinated, you must have your final dose of vaccine at least 14 days before the date of your arrival in England. If you are fully vaccinated or not, you should obtain a negative COVID-19 test report within 3 days of your departure from India. Children aged 10 and under do not need to take a test. If you fail to show the proof of this report, you will be penalized. You must book your test packages through private test providers. If you are fully vaccinated, book for only one kit, and if not, you have to book for 2 packs. Please see the link for the test booking in the description box below. You must complete a passenger locator form online before you travel to the UK. In this form, you should fill in your booking reference numbers for the COVID test you have booked. The link is given in the description box for the passenger locator form. The QR code you receive through email can be shown as a proof of completion of the passenger locator form in the airports. What should be done once you are in England? If you are fully vaccinated, you will be exempted from the home quarantine provided you are tested negative on the second day of your arrival. If that second day test is positive, you should follow the 10 days of home quarantine rules. If you are not fully vaccinated, you should undergo 10 days of home quarantine and should do the COVID test on day 2 and day 8 of your arrival. UK government has taken this decision at the right time as many students, families and job permit holders are traveling to the UK in the month of August and September. Mainly, the universities are opening in September. Tourism sector also will be promoted due to this announcement because many Indian tourists will be visiting UK as they need not be in hotel quarantine for 10 days. Please follow the instructions and directions given by the UK government while you travel from India to UK. We wish you a safe journey to UK. If you believe this video was helpful, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.